This pigeon is missing from the race from Saturday. He's the only one who was missing, and he has won lots of prizes for us. Last year he was the best of the company of the club, and he was the third best of the department. He always, when it was rough weather, he was coming, and now on a normal flight he was not coming. So we are very, very concerned if he ever will come back. We hope so, but he is 5 years old, so he knows which way he must go. But we still hope that he is coming back very soon and win lots of prizes for us. Because it's a very fine pigeon, always been for us, and now he's gone. We are very sad about that. Last week we got a phone call from the south of Netherlands that there was a pigeon at home with the people. We was losing last year as young pigeon, and we thought he was gone away, so we never heard anything about it. But now a woman called us, "I have a pigeon from you and I want to keep it." I said, "Oh, what pigeon?" And she gave me the number, and I said, "Oh, but this one is always gone for a year almost." So I was very glad she called. This pigeon had races, won several races already, and he was standing on the top of the department at the moment that he was gone. So I was very glad, and I told that woman that we are going to let him come over by a carrier, and he will bring him from her to us. It's in. She said she had got it when he was very tired, and it was very rough weather, and she thought most of the people don't want pigeons back when she calls, but I will have him back. I was very lucky she called us after such a long time. Every week we were standing looking at the air and nothing comes, but that was not possible after all. But now she's coming back, the pigeon. It's a woman pigeon, she said, and I know that. A young pigeon, but it was a woman pigeon. So in about 2 or 3 days he will be brought here. She will be brought here. Then I will show you the bird. I done that. Andere voorblik. Wisselen van het en je boontje en het schapje. Je kan hem maar